Infrastructure to a modern economy like Australia is like oxygen. It enables us to thrive and to breathe. The Smart Infrastructure Facility will look at integrated infrastructure planning. That means just one thing. We will look at the system and not the individual assets. We're looking at how these things fuse together, how they work together, and how that they can complement each other so that the system is greater than the sum of its parts. The Smart Facility, it will take us right out onto the cutting edge, and it will ask the questions that have never been asked before. What that means is how energy, transport, or for that matter the water systems, come together to work as one. And we'll be taking that proposition to government and to business to identify ways in which the infrastructure system can provide outstanding services to the community and business. One of the things that the Smart Infrastructure Facility will undertake to do as a commitment to both government and the industry, and that is to look at genuine creation of intergenerational systems which have the capability to be relevant and enduring and to meet the needs of the community not only 10 years in advance, but 30, 40 or even 100 years. What concerns us is the industry and both government has lost the appetite for long-term planning. And I guess there's no greater example of long-term planning than the City of Sydney with the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Now, at the time that the Sydney Harbour Bridge was first conceived, the number of registered motor vehicles within the state was only 10,000. Yet they designed a bridge that had a width of about 49 metres. It has the capacity to carry 8 lanes of traffic, and it has rail lines and a whole range of other services that sit with it. When we think about the enormity of the decision that was taken back at the beginning of the 19th century, it tells us that we typically don't do that anymore. And the community needs to have long-term thinking to meet the needs of the communities of tomorrow. And that's really a part of what smart infrastructure is about, is to challenge and to think about what are the requirements of the long-term needs of the community and the business, and to be able to embed that within the design and the specifications of our infrastructure. And it's not until we do that will we be able to provide the enduring solutions to the community.